This 2018 Silverado has 47,000 miles on it, and the frame looks like this underneath. Pretty rough and crusty, some chipping, flaking, rust in parts. So we're gonna take the steam cleaner to this one, get all that loose rust cleaned off. You can see all the rust up in there. The steam cleaner will also clean all that dust and everything, all the loose dirt and debris.
We use a high-pressure steam washer to blast away loose rust, dirt, and road salt, leaving the underbody clean and ready for undercoating.
We got all the loose chipping, flaking rust. We're back down to a nice flat base metal. It's ready to receive the fluid film undercoating. See, up in these areas where it was dusty and dirty, it's all nice and clean. We'll get the undercoating all the way up in them wheel wells. This area back here up above the spare tire was a known bad area on these trucks. We got it back down to a nice base metal, a nice surface for the fluid film to adhere to. And now the truck's been fully treated with fluid film undercoating. Now the fluid film's an oil-based gel. It'll actually soak into any of that surface rust that we still had. We get inside and outside of the frame. We do get inside of the rockers. All them plugs off, put them all back on after we get inside of there. This thing is looking brand new underneath. Here in the back, where these are known to be pretty rough and rusty, this truck, there's no more rust scale. Cleaned that all off and got it all fully treated up with the fluid film.
The fluid film undercoating will stay wet and fluid, allowing it to soak and creep into all the nooks and crannies. And it works to slow or stop rust by blocking the flow of oxygen from getting to the metal. If you're interested in having this done to your vehicle, we're located in central Pennsylvania. Visit us on our website at dbdcustoms.com.